Badger, this time the little tractor is going to win.
Ready to lose, sweetie? My engine is freshly tuned.
Woof! Be safe, both of you.
Okay, racers, remember, first to the big oak tree and back.
Ready, set, Geo! Look at that speed! Don't crash for the camera!
Look out!
Too fast, sweetie!
Oh, Durr! Look at this big mess!
Tell you what, make it a team race instead. Less crashing.
A team race.
Badger, you get the big tow rope.
This one? No, too thin. Needs to be super strong. This one will do the trick.
We need a plan, dog. How do we get these out?
Badger, on the double!
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Securely fastened. Can't have any slip-ups this time.
This is heavy. Are you sure this will pull us?
That's it, team. One step at a time. You've got this.
I shall mark the new finish line. Teamwork is splendid.
Woof! New race! Good luck, friends! New challenge, new content. This is gonna be epic!
Ready, sweetie? We pull together on 3.
1, 2, 3. Pull, pull.
It's stuck! Give it more, sweetie! Steady pressure!
I'm trying. Ugh. Easy on the engines, children. You need cleverness, not just power.
The wheels need traction. Water helps with the dirt, yes?
Oh. Good idea, Turtle. Traction boost.
It's moving! Hold it steady, sweetie. That's it. Yes, they're free! That was epic! Crash recovery!
We're a team. Steering left with me, Badger.
Keep it taut, sweetie. We need perfect synchronization.
Jing-a-ling, faster, faster, almost to the straightaway.
Steady speed wins the relay. Little racers.
Tension! The teamwork! This footage is viral gold!
Hi, Squirrel. Are we looking good? Keep that teamwork strong. You're almost there.
Last push, sweetie! Let's cross that line together!
together.
A perfect team tie. That's how you rally.
We're the best team, Badger.
That was so much better than crashing.
Now, that was a rally. Time for your victory split smoothie.
Splendid choice, Mum Elephant. A refreshing reward.
Strawberry power. Best team smoothie ever.
To teamwork. No more reckless racing.
Resolution. Friendship wins over competition. Like and subscribe.
Careful, sweetie. You earned a little sip, too.
The track is quiet. Now for the farm duties.
All right, let's get these two unlinked and back to work.
Thanks, Mom. Happy now. We'll put the rope away now.
That rope really saved us from a total fail.
Woof! We made a good team, too.
Every adventure ends with a little tidying up, dear.
Many hands make light work, as the saying goes.
Tidy up montage complete. High quality farm work.
A little dent, but nothing a good clean won't fix.
Just a few safety checks. Never too careful after a rally.
The field is calling. Time to harvest some strawberries. Look how big they are. Almost time for our annual jam.
Lead the way, sweetie. Let's make this the fastest harvest ever.
A smooth ride is the best speed.
Check it out, guys. The harvest is underway. Looking good, Mom.
Coordinated harvesting. Next level teamwork.
Slow and steady ensures deep root hydration.
For a perfect weather for a perfect harvest today. Every day is a gift when you have a good team. Concentrate, sweetie. Careful with the little ones.
Teamwork, yes, but who gets the biggest pile?
My basket is definitely getting fuller faster.
No berry left behind. Good help is quiet help.
Fantastic work, both of you. Time to load up.
Look at that color, sweetie. Ready for jam.
The sky rewards all good labor with beauty.
It's almost 11 a.m. What a busy morning.
I'm glad we crashed. It taught me winning isn't everything.
A race crash becomes a rally with friends. Always. Another split smoothie? Best idea, Mom!
Equal parts strawberry and banana. Perfect teamwork blend.
Cheers to us, the best tractor team.
Final sign-off. Remember, always film the solution, not just the crash.
A wonderful day. Now for a slow, peaceful sunset.
So delicious. A perfect end to a perfect morning.
Even the dent looks better now. A badge of honor.
Every scratch tells a story of learning, dear. Go on, put those tractors away. You two earned the rest. Putting her away for the day. Good night, Pinky.
Move over, sweetie. My turn to park.
Perfect parallel parking. Mechanic skills pay off.
Night, big guy. See you in the morning for jam making.
Day is done. The fields are nourished. All is well.
Final battery check. Time to edit this epic team story.
Best rally ever! Let's do it again, Sue!
Only if we build a jump first. Just kidding.
The stars watch over good friends, always.